Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Sign into Facebook with the account or page that will post the check-in. Once signed in, make sure your device's location services are enabled and allow Facebook to access location. Open the app or go to Facebook.com, pick the profile or page you'll use. Tap the status field to begin a post. This step starts the action now. Do not linger on settings, confirm permissions, and choose the correct identity before adding content or location. Once in the composer, tap check-in or the location pin icon to add a place. You can search for an existing business, landmark, or drop a custom pin. Select the correct result. Add context. Type a short caption, tag friends, or attach a photo to increase clarity. Make sure to set privacy, public, friends, or a custom list so your check-in reaches the intended audience. If it's a page, verify the location pin belongs to that page before proceeding. Tap Post to publish the check-in, then verify it appears on your timeline or page feed with the correct place and privacy. If the location looks wrong, edit the post immediately. Choose Edit Post, change the place, and save. Troubleshooting. If the check-in won't attach or location is blank, toggle location services, force quit and reopen Facebook, or update app permissions. If problems persist, update the app or clear cache. These steps usually fix
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.